In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify login problems. If you're locked out of your store or seeing errors at sign-in, follow along and I'll walk you through a clear path to get back into your account using Shopify's official resources and support. First, give it a little time before trying again. Temporary lockouts can happen after multiple failed attempts or when there's brief maintenance or a service hiccup. Waiting a couple of hours often clears short-term blocks and lets the system reset. It's simple, but it can save you from unnecessary troubleshooting if the issue is only temporary. When you're ready to try again, head to the official Shopify login page for store owners. Make sure you're on the legitimate Shopify site before entering any credentials. Using the correct login page ensures you're signing in securely and helps you avoid phishing pages that look similar but aren't safe. If logging in still isn't working, go straight to the Shopify Help Center from that page. The Help Center link is usually visible near the sign-in area or in the footer. This takes you to Shopify's centralized support hub, where you can find verified guidance for account access issues. Inside the Help Center, open the topic called Logging Into Your Shopify Account. This section brings together the most relevant articles on common sign-in problems, including messages about incorrect credentials, two-step authentication challenges, and other account-specific prompts you might see. Next, use the Help Center search bar and type "can't log in." This pulls up the exact troubleshooting content for your scenario. It's the fastest way to surface the most applicable steps, checklists, and explanations without digging through unrelated articles. From the results, choose the option to start a chat with Shopify support. Chat connects you with a trained advisor who can review your situation in real time. When you start the conversation, briefly describe what you see on screen and when the issue began. Have your store address and the email associated with the account ready, along with any error messages. Never share your password or security codes with anyone, including support. Finally, wait in the queue. Keep the chat window open so you don't lose your place. While you wait, stay near your email and your authentication device in case support needs to verify you or send a one-time passcode. Respond promptly when the agent joins to speed things up. That's it. Wait a bit. Try the official login page. Go to the Help Center. Open the logging in topic, search "can't log in," start a chat, and hold your place in the queue. Follow these steps, and you'll be back in your Shopify admin as quickly and safely as possible.